Hello, I'm Dr. Jack. I'm the doctor on duty for today. How may I help you?
Hello, doctor. I'm Mr. James. I'm having stomach pain.
Can you spot exactly where the pain is?
I think it hurts all over.
All right. On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the worst pain, which number would you rate the pain?
It's somewhere 4 to 6.
Please describe to me how it hurts.
It's a diffuse, irregular abdominal pain, doctor.
How often does it come, and when it comes, how long does it last?
It comes twice or thrice a month and it lasts about 10 minutes maximum.
How would you describe the pain? Is it dull, sharp, or shooting?
Shooting, I guess.
Do you remember when it started? Have you experienced this kind of pain before?
No, I have not. It just happened all of a sudden. It started maybe about 6 months ago.
Can you remember any event that might have triggered it?
No, I can't remember anything.
Is the pain getting worse, better, or unchanged?
It's getting worse lately, and I have noticed that it typically happens early in the morning.
Is anything making it worse?
Yeah, when I eat, so I take Malox to feel better. I feel better also after emptying bowels.
Aside from Malox, are you taking other prescribed medicines?
No, just Malox.
Are you feeling something else aside from your abdominal pain?
I have occasional constipation. I'm having dark stools lately but no blood present.
Have you passed gas?
Yes, I did.
Have you noticed any changes in your urinary habits?
No, I have not.
How would you describe your appetite these days?
My appetite's fair enough, I think. I like eating fast foods.
Do you have known allergies?
None that I know of.
Have you been hospitalized before? Undergone some surgery, perhaps?
No, doctor. I have not been hospitalized ever.
Okay, I think I have not missed out on anything. This time, I would like to do some examinations on you. Any questions so far?
No question as of the moment. You may begin the examination, doctor.
First, I shall take a quick look on your eyes. Please open your mouth. Next, I shall check if you have swollen glands around your neck. All right. Now I am going to examine your belly. Would you please lie down? I'm going to listen to your belly first. Just be comfortable. Now, I am going to press on your belly. When you feel some pain, please let me know.
Okay, doctor.
Thank you for your cooperation, Mr. James. So far, I'm suspecting irritable bowel disease. It means that your bowel is sensitive or your stomach problem might be due to some irritation in your stomach itself or your bowel. To rule out the exact cause, I'd like to run some tests on you, including endoscopy.
What is that, doctor?
We will be looking inside your body, particularly the digestive area. We will be using an endoscope. It is an instrument used to examine the interior of a hollow organ or cavity of the body. I will be able to tell you the exact reason and give you the proper treatment of your condition once I have the results. In the meantime, I'm giving you some medication to ease your stomach problem. Do you have questions?
Okay, doctor. I shall have the tests. I hope you will find out soon the exact cause of my condition. Thank you.
Good morning, Mrs. Drew. You look sad today. Is there something wrong?
I tried to take several Tylenol tablets to kill myself yesterday. My husband sent me here. People think I'm crazy.
Can you tell me more about it?
I have been depressed, doctor.
When did you start feeling depressed?
About 3 days ago, doctor.
Did something happen? Was there anything that made you sad?
None. Well, I gave birth to a baby boy 3 weeks ago. I think I'm a terrible mother.
What made you say that?
It's just that I am not a good mother.
I'm sorry to hear that, Ms. Drew. But hey, you are not the only mother who feels that way. There are mothers out there who go through this kind of depression after giving birth. This might sound weird, but it's true. It's very hard to be a mom. And you know what? I'm here to help you.
Okay, doctor.
Now, have you ever had similar episodes before?
You mean feeling depressed after giving birth?
Yes.
No. He is my first baby.
Okay. Were there complications during pregnancy and after delivery?
There was none, doctor. I had a normal delivery and the baby is in good health.
Good to hear that. Mrs. Drew, do you think this depression is affecting your life now?
Yes, a lot.
I see. Any weight loss? Appetite loss?
Yes. I lost some weight and I don't like to eat.
How about sleeping problems?
Yes. I can't make myself sleep sometimes.
Do you feel sad? Worthless? Hopeless?
Yes.
Aha. Mrs. Drew, I shall ask you a sensitive question. This would help me learn more about how you feel. Do you mind?
Not at all. It's okay, doctor.
Thank you. Now, have you ever thought of killing the baby?
I have, but I never tried.
Do you feel ashamed of what you were thinking?
Yes, I do. It makes me feel I'm the worst mother in the world.
Okay. Have you ever been depressed before? Did you receive treatment?
Actually, when I was in college, I was diagnosed with depression. My dad passed away and I felt really sad.
I'm sorry. but I'm glad you were able to overcome that situation. How is your husband? Is he supportive?
He is doctor. He always tries to understand me.
That's good. Are there any family members you are close with? Or friends you can talk to if you have problems?
Don't worry, doctor. I have a lot of friends to turn to.
Great. Do you know of anybody in your family who was also diagnosed with depression?
Yes, my aunt. She was depressed when her husband died.
I see. Thank you for answering all my questions, Mrs. Drew. I understand this situation you are going through right now is tough. Once you feel depressed, it is hard to get out of it. You need help. You might hurt yourself again. So it seems like the best idea is for you to stay in the hospital for a couple of days so that I can fully examine you. And I also recommend you get some counseling. That will help you a lot. In the meantime, I shall give you some medications which can make you feel better. How does this sound to you?
Sounds good, doctor. Thank you.
You are welcome.